Stella, baby.
Stanley?
Me. Annie, yeah.
Para kiss my
Pablo, Annie.
para caliente, ¿no?
Turn the radio off. Let's go.
Lance, hurry up in there.
Jesus. How do I look?
You look lovely.
Mama's like this so long.
I'm Stella, baby. So, Blanche, how have things been? Uh-huh. Do you want a shot? Can I get you a shot?
Oh, no, two's my limit.
Oh.
Two's my limit. I
Okay.
don't want to get faster.
Here, come meet some of the guys, like Pablo.
Man, shut up.
Oh, I'd love to meet those brutes.
Come on.
You bitch.
Come on, come get him a chair. I'll get you a chair.
I would like to.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Poker is not a women's sport.
Vamos!
Excuse me.
Here's a chair.
Stella, vamos aquí, ahora mira.
How many times I gotta tell you, Stella? Women are not supposed to be here on poker night.
Stella, honey, take me to the bathroom. Okay, this light here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get the f out of here. No!
You guys want to hear a parrot joke?
Sure.
How about you, Rich? There was this parrot, and there was the boy. And there was the parrot, and he flew to the boy, and then the boy was gay. Mitch, you're a nice man.
I got a radio! You guys! Come on, Blanche! You and me! Yeah! Put up a shirt! Yeah!
Stella! What the f? Burn him!
Oh crap! Get him in the shower! Get him in the shower! Come on, you need to go in the shower. Come on, Pablo.
You need to shower.
Pablo, help!
Oh!
My baby. Baby, come on, baby.
What the f do you want? I'm never coming downstairs again!
Stella, baby, I need you, girl. I need you by my side.
Okay.
Man, I love you, baby. so much.
If you couldn't see yourself with a nigga when his dough is low, baby girl, if this is so, yo, can I get a fuck you to the bitches from all of my niggas who don't love hoes? They get no dough.
Can I get a to these niggas? Stanley? Stanley?
Me!
Stanley?
Me!
Stan?
Here.
I got nothing. I don't even know what we're supposed to say.
Stanley!
What?
You guys want to hear a parrot joke?
Sure.
What about you, Mitch?
I got a radio! You guys! Come on, Blanche! You and me! Fuck! Where's an outlet?
There's an outlet.
That's a fucking outlet.
Stella! What the f?
Oh shit! What the f do you want? You put me right in the
You can't say it. Stella, baby. Stop with the meat. Stop with the meat. Wow, Corey.
Stella! Blanche, come to me! Blanche!
Someone throw meat at me. Yeah, we need some meat.
I hate you!